Hey there! If you've received a letter from the Franchise Tax Board, then this video is for you. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Marc Boulanger, CPA, and this is what I look like right there. And today I'm going to walk you through what happens in an FTB audit, what triggers it, how it works, and what you can do to protect yourself and your business. The Franchise Tax Board, or FTB, is essentially California's version of the IRS. They enforce the state's income tax laws, and they're targeting high-income earners, business owners, and anyone with missing or questionable filings. They use IRS data, state databases, and audit algorithms to identify taxpayers for review. The most common audit triggers are somewhat similar to the things that you see with the IRS: mismatched income documents like 1099s or W-2s, overly aggressive deductions, and sometimes IRS audits that get passed on to the state. In case if you don't know, they do share information back and forth, and late or missing returns. If any of those sound familiar, you may already be on their radar now. Now, the audit usually starts with a request for documents, things like tax returns, bank records, profit and loss statements, or receipts. They may focus on 1 year, but if they find inconsistencies, they're going to expand the scope to multiple years. At the end of the audit, they'll issue a proposed adjustment, which could result in a refund, but if you think about it, and more than likely, it's going to be a tax bill and penalties. If you've received an FTB audit notice, the worst thing you can do is ignore it or blindly send over everything they ask for. You need to respond strategically with an understanding of your rights, deadlines, and how to push back against inflated assessments. As a CPA, I've helped many people reduce or eliminate their audit bills entirely. So if you're facing an FTB audit, don't wait until it gets worse. Like I said, my name is Marc Boulanger, CPA. I'm licensed in California, and I help taxpayers fight back against unfair audits and aggressive state tax enforcement. You can visit my website, orangecounty.cpa, or call my office, 657-218-5700, to schedule a free consultation. Let's defend what's yours.